Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we're over here on the edge of the highway, pouring in gas before we head to Southwick. The weather's not looking too good. It'll look better later. See y'all over there. Got to the track. Say hi, Anderson.
Hi.
We're about to get some tickets, so we can go in and see what's up. We got the tickets. Let me see. You got an umbrella. You ready for the rain? Is it gonna rain today?
No.
Oh, I hope it doesn't. Dígame, maestro.
Hey, Southwick. Welcome back. 5 years.
5 years straight.
Yes.
Yeah. Vamos para adentro. No, estamos activos. He said, well, look, Anderson, look at the track map.
First one there, then over. Over there. And then there we go.
Anderson, whose bike is this? That's Prado. That's Cooper Webb. You want to take a picture? Ask him for a picture. Give me the gun. Here I got Anderson. You got so many goodies. Let me see your magazine. You got a magazine. I got a bunch of stickers in my pockets. We got a puzzle. I got a monster. He got some stickers. He got a coloring book. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, you got restaurant in here?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
I like that.
Anderson, look.
Glory days, huh?
Guess what? One of my favorite bikes right here. Look at this thing. So nice. What do you got?
Chase Sexton.
Chase Sexton?
And him.
Yeah?
Yep.
And we got the stickers. So making the champion. He's not racing today, but
I still got them.
he's still the champion. Current champion. Let me see the bike again. Does that look better?
Yep.
Yeah?
Look at the stamp, guys.
Let me
Him.
see. Number 1.
And even look. Him.
Holding the belt. Nice. Alright. You look like he's hitting the whoops. I gotta get a good spot. Follow me, I'll show you, alright? Talk to me about the track, buddy. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but nothing is happening first, so the flags are going first, and then after the races are going to come.
Alright. See.
Let's go, Tommy!
start.
Deacon's right. 15.7 up into the #1 spot. How about Parker Ross out in the number 11 ride? Now he's just been passed by Hamilton.
All right, we gotta catch the start for Moto 2. For the 450. Moto 1 for 450 and 250 is already over. And let's catch this other start.
Porque ese siempre ha sido un gato.
Jet Lawrence, Hunter Lawrence, and Eli Tomac. The last minute preparations. Doing it all. And there it is, the gate is down and moto number 2 is off. How about that? Hayden Deacon grabbing a fistful of throttle and finds himself out in front. Leading the way and taking the 2 spot is Jaleel Sewell on the triumph. Levi Kitchen has definitely put himself where the position that he needs to. Had a real hard charge there to get around Jaleek's wall. Has to get himself to where he can at least get a view. Pick up maybe a couple of the lines that Andy Egan has right now. Otherwise, he'll never last.
No water? Open your mouth. Open your mouth, come on. You good? Good. Hey, look. No, you in the race now. Look at the camera. Wario, deja verte. ¿Dónde tú estás? Mierda, te quedaste. Pero está en la cámara. Míralo ahí, ve.
Me quedé pero está en la cámara.
The race just wrapped up. Jet Lawrence goes 1-1 on the 450. They raced first today. And then Deegan goes 1-1 on the 250. Oh, look at that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he went 1-1. At least Eli got there. Look at that. It's pretty much carbon copy of what happened today. So you're on Land Cruiser. Nice. Do another one. Let me do another one.
I do.
Go. What was that?
No, the air ball.
Man. Well, all the racing was over. Everything was great. Now we got a 2-hour drive to go back home. What do you gotta say?
Like and subscribe, baby.
All right. Till next time.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah!
I won.
All right. Es lo que quiero, una dona. Maestro, mira qué bacano la gente tiene con el GPS en estos días. Looking at our map like that. Oye, estamos aquí. We're right here. I'm definitely getting lost. Gracias a Dios yo no nací en esa generación de eso. Porque yo sí me había perdido. Nos habíamos perdido feo. ¿Usted se ríe? ¿Usted sabe leer eso?
No.
Usted se había perdido también en su tiempo.
Claro.
A ver ese bacolo, vean, que llevan ahí onda.
El GPA fue lo mejor que han hecho. No te pierdes para nada.
Ese tipo sabe andar mucho.
Te lleva aquí, tú te pasas, pero él te vuelve y te recoge de nuevo. Hazlo. Está perdido.